So this is our location guys for today. See the swimming pool? And I don't know kung makaligo ako. Grabe ang lamig. Diyos ko, alas 9 na dito. Ang lamig pa din. Morning guys! So for today's video, magbe-breakfast po kami ni Kitty Pie doon sa baba. Yes, after itry namin mag-swimming sa swimming pool nila kung okay ba kasi guys, grabe talaga ang lamig sa labas. Yes, it's around 9:30 AM here na in UAE time, pero grabe ang lamig. Kaya itry ko kung kayang-kaya ba yung tubig or else magbablog na lang din ako doon, o diba? So, let's check it out there guys. This is our breakfast guys with this beautiful surroundings.
Oh my
Ang
god.
ganda. Our breakfast. Diba ang ganda? Oh my god. Ang ganda ng ambience guys. Parang daig pa ang aircon. Grabe ang lamig. Oh my god. Sa swimming pool guys.
Wow!
Grabe. Ang ganda. So, ito yung hotel namin, guys. Yes. Ano eating here, the breakfast. See, I think kaya ko yung ano dito. Lalim. I will try. See, guys, mamayang gabi may ano dito. Yung dinner, barbecue, grilled. Pero hanggang ano lang sila. 7 to 9. Very early. Province life sila dito eh. Ayan. So guys, dito kami last 4 years ago. It's birthday also of Kitty Pie. Kaso sa Mercury Hotel kami naka-check-in. Hi! Hi, Kitty Pie! We can go. Ang lamig as in, ang lamig. Kasi time! This is our background. Hindi na ako mag-pool kasi grabe ang lamig ko guys. Kasi dito ang init. Ang sarap ng tubig guys. Nakakalala. Lalo naman init. Iba ayaw maligo. Kasi iba yung pakiramdam mo. Pero hindi na ako maliligo. Magmuni-muni lang ako. Or let's check it out. Yes, naligo na din kasi ako sa jacuzzi namin. O diba, ito yung surroundings ng pool. See, ang ganda. I'm just waiting for my order. Milk and banana shake. Walang tao guys. Yung iba natutulog pa. It's ball time. Walang tao. So that's end of the birthday of Kitty Pie guys that we are celebrating here. It's so nice the hotel guys. Very recommended. Yes. At saka ano, marami naman sila dito mga activities na pwede nyong gagawin. Yeah, and the foods is so amazing. That is number one only I can tell. Reviews sa foods. Ang sarap. Syempre expected na yung price. Pero hindi ka naman sa presyo. Very sulit yung bayad. Yes. And see, 'di ba? Ngayon mainit na kasi it's coming 1 PM here in UAE time. So, pero ang pool guys, parang malamig talaga as in. Sa loob, pag maligo ka, hindi siya malamig. Pero pag ano mo, paglabas mo na ng swimming pool, grabe na guys, as in, nanginginig-nginig ka sa lamig. O diba, wala pang masyadong tao dito. Yes, kahit weekend. So that's all for today's video and I hope you enjoy my vlog. And thank you for watching and have a nice day everyone. See you in my next vlog.
Just wait, my boyfriend will come and bring.
Okay.
And then he call his boyfriend. He tell, my boyfriend is not here. He's outside.